Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is part 2 of my awaited birthday collective haul, and today I am finally sharing with you the big bag purchase that I bought for myself for my 35th birthday. But before I start, if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. If you enjoy all things luxury, especially pre-loved, vintage, more unique pieces, you will love it here. So do subscribe and join my little YouTube family. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. That is where I show you guys how to style these pieces that I share with you here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. I actually did a little cutaway because I did actually share this on my birthday because I did have a special little setup from all the flowers that I received. So I will show that in a minute. So this bag I actually had to save for. I bought it well in advance before my birthday because it is such a special and unique piece, and some of you guys might think really another one, but it is honestly my favorite bag style from this brand, and the color just, it had me. I had to get it, the combo, everything about it, I needed to have it. So I will go ahead and cut away into the video, and then I will come back and share with you guys a bit more about the bag. Hi guys, I am doing a unboxing today, and I am on my stairs filled with these beautiful flowers because it was my birthday and I was so spoiled on my birthday, and I was blessed with the most incredible bouquet of flowers. Like, look at these, they're absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I should put that one there so you guys can really see it. The reason I'm sitting here today is because I have got myself a little unboxing, and I am gonna be quick because I'm actually like in the front porch. People can walk in anytime. As you can see from the box, I got myself an Hermes bag. It's a little present to myself celebrating my 35th birthday. This was actually something I bought quite a while ago, like months and months ago, and it did take me a little while to save up for it because it was hella expensive. Literally the price of a car, you guys. It's insane. I don't know what I was thinking, but I kind of really wanted to get myself this particular color because this is one of the ones that I have always wanted. This was actually one of the very first colors that I fell in love with, and with Hermes, they do colors so well. Of course I wanted to get this bag, and when it came in the size, in the style, the leather and the hardware, I had to have it. I had to have it, even though it was like literally like almost a year before my 35th. I knew I just had to get it for myself. So let's open it up because I've owned the box for so long. It's actually had a bit of staining already. This item I actually got from a thing called Puff. I did actually contact a few people to get their opinions, what their experience was like, and I had really good feedback from her. So of course I did go ahead and purchase from her. You guys ready? This is the bag to reveal. The most beautiful, gorgeous Hermes bag. It is in the Hermes Birkin size 25 in the most beautiful rose pepper color with gold hardware. So the gold hardware was really what made me want to get this bag, because you would have seen this rose pepper color like coveted by so many YouTubers. It's one of the most popular color. It's just like a beautiful deep magenta color, can be really bright pink but also very deep, perfect for autumn. The reason I just had to have this was the gold hardware. It's so rare to find the gold hardware, and then in this size, in the beautiful Togo leather, of course I had to snap it up. Obviously I paid a premium for this, but nowadays, knowing how much it costs to even be offered a bag from Hermes, like you have to spend 1.5 times the cost of the bag. This is pretty much that, and you know, I get the color that I want in the size and exactly as I want it. So if you're the type that's pretty fussy and very determined to get a color, I honestly would recommend just going down the pre-loved route, but obviously to each their own. But this is the most beautiful Hermes bag. I love her so much, and I know it's very similar to the the Bordeaux that I already own, but that is in Swift leather, which I think is beautiful, but you do have to be careful with it. This is just a bit more carefree, and yeah, just a little bit more fun. I think this would be perfect for summer as well as autumn, and look how perfectly it matches these Manolo Blahniks, basically the same as the Manolos. Aren't they perfect? So anyways, you guys, this is my latest edition. I will leave the details of Finkel Puff in the info bar below. If you want to see pictures of my birthday, go and check out my Instagram. That is where I've got lots of photos and also how I will style this bag. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend. Bye. So as you guys saw, this is my new to me Hermes Birkin size 25 in the rose Purpre color with the beautiful stunning gold hardware, and it is in the Togo leather. Is she not the most gorgeous bag you have ever seen? I am a huge sucker when it comes to Hermes colors. I do really think that Hermes does colors so well, and so I know I have a very similar color tone already to this, but this is definitely more of a summery piece. This is a piece I can wear day to day. This is a piece that I can transition from spring to summer to autumn, maybe not winter, but that is why I have my Bordeaux color. But yeah, this is the bag. You can see it in the beautiful light. The gold is stunning. The gold is what made me get this bag. This is quite a popular color. A lot of YouTubers do have this one, and I can understand why. The color is gorgeous. It's like pink, but like a bit deeper and more mature, but it's still super bright, and just like it just honestly pops so much. But the gold hardware, you guys, was what had me absolutely sold. So just a bit about this bag, because I didn't mention it in that unboxing. I did purchase this from Finkel Puff. I will put her details in the info bar. Very trusted Hermes reseller. Angela's recommended her from the Purse Affair. Jessie from Jessie Styles has used her before. I know a YouTuber from Ireland has used her, I think, as well, and actually has this same bag. If I remember her name, I will put it here somewhere. I'm so sorry, you guys, I'm really bad with names, but she also has it, but with the silver hardware. And so I think they all purchased their bags from Finkel Puff, and she was fantastic. I did have a really good experience with Stephanie. Contact her about a few other bags actually, and came across this on her Instagram page. Couldn't believe that it wasn't sold yet, and I messaged her straight away. It almost got away from me, and I actually was like devastated. So that's when you know you really want the bag. So then when she messaged me to let me know it's become available because her other client chose a different color, I just snapped it up straight away, sent her a deposit, and yeah, she was so kind to really let me take my time to pay this off. I did actually put this on layaway or lay-by because it was way too much for me to spend in one go. This took me a bit of time because yeah, I had a lot of expenses, and I really didn't expect to purchase this, but I knew that this would be such a special bag to get myself for my 35th birthday. So thank you to Finkel Puff. I will put her details in the info bar below if she sees this. Hi Stephanie, thank you so much for this gorgeous bag. Now when it comes to purchasing from Finkel Puff, she does actually authenticate. I did pay extra to have this authenticated by Baba Baby, and that is who I trust with authentications. And then you can get another like authentication with Entropy, which I do have access to. I will do that as well, just for extra peace of mind. And because I've used a trusted reseller, I'm confident that if there's anything that goes wrong, she will be more than happy to sort of facilitate any issues I have. So this is the bag. Look, it's a Birkin. You guys have seen a million Birkins, but look at how gorgeous she is. I really wish I could take her to Europe. I would love that, but I am petrified. I don't know how you guys do it, like taking your items to Europe. I think if I wasn't going to Iceland and I was just going to Italy or somewhere just very nice, I think it would be okay, but we're doing hiking, it's going to be cold, it's going to be wet, so I really don't think it would be a good place to bring something like this. But yes, let me just show you the bag. Interior looks like that. This is in the Togo leather, and there's actually absolutely no veining. I don't mind veining on like an Hermes bag. I think it looks beautiful, but I honestly love Hermes colors. I think the next color I want to get is malachite. I tried it on at the purse fair, and it's just this most beautiful, like rich green. I really love jewel tone colors. I think I've come to realize they look the most flattering on me because of my complexion. So yes, this is her. I don't know what else to say. It has all the stickers. It came to me absolutely brand new, and it's got a rain tag. Let me put the clochette on her, although I don't know, do you guys even put clochette on Birkins these days? I do want to get a twilly, just for a bit of fun. I want to get it on my Bordeaux as well, just because I think that the Bordeaux, if I got it with a bit of pink, I could wear it more for like spring, summer. And honestly, one of the main reasons I got this was because my Bordeaux Birkin, it's very much an autumn winter bag, so I wanted one that was a bit more spring, summer. And honestly, this is the most spring summery bag I think I own. Like, it's just like a bright pink. I cannot believe I have such a bright pink bag in a Hermes Birkin. Like, it's insane. In terms of the process of buying an Hermes bag, for me, I think I understand like the process behind being able to purchase a Birkin. It does make that it feels more like an achievement when you've been buying things through Hermes and building up your rapport and then being able to be offered this. I understand that process, and I don't particularly hate it. I get it, because then it just feels like a bit more of an achievement and an accomplishment, but I'm not really ready to play that game. I'm honestly like an instant gratification kind of girl. Maybe later down the track, I don't know, when I'm like not really interested in other bags, or like I'm really wanting to invest more in Hermes. At the moment, there's not enough things in Hermes that really catches my eye or really interests me. And because I'm going to Paris, I am going to obviously try my luck at the Hermes store. We will see. I'm not really expecting that I get an opportunity, but I definitely would like to add a Kelly in a size 25 or even a mini Kelly as my next bag. That's what I think about the whole bag offer process from Hermes. Obviously, it would be a dream, but knowing how much you actually have to spend to be offered this bag, I think it's kind of crazy. This bag I purchased for, it was kind of not quite double the price, but I do know in Hermes you kind of have to spend that much to be offered it, so it's really up to you. The problem with like going through Hermes is, you know, you kind of take what they offer you. It'd be a shame to sort of go through that process only to accept something you don't particularly love. So if you're after a particular bag, I personally prefer just buying it outright, but obviously that is my opinion, and I certainly will be trying my luck at Hermes in Paris. I think that's a bit more reasonable, where you can go in and try your luck. But anyways, that is my bag. But yeah, you guys, that is my present to myself. Let me know what you guys think of this bag. What do you think of Hermes? What do you think of the Birkin? I know it's pretty crazy. Like, I'm still in disbelief like owning this bag. I've owned it for almost a year now. I bought it about 6 months before my birthday, and my birthday was like 2 months ago. So yeah, kind of crazy. It's definitely one of those bags that I cannot believe I own, and I think I just need to just bite the bullet and start wearing her. But the color is just gorgeous. Okay, anyways, you guys, that is her. That is the bag. Let me know what you think. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and join my little YouTube family. And as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.